with a fun ABC tree. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who jumps along. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat that goes on your head so sweet. I is for ice cream, yummy treat. J is for jelly that's soft and sweet. K is for kite flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a powerful cry. N is for monkey swinging in the tree. N is for nest with birds you'll see. O is for owl awake at night. P is for penguin waddling in delight. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow falling down. S is for sun so warm and bright. T is for train chugging left and right. U is for umbrella for rainy days. V is for violin that softly plays. S for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee.